Today we're going to be unboxing the Tooliom 195 amp stick welder. I got this on Amazon. It was one of the cheapest stick welders I could find that had some really good reviews and was available for next day delivery. So I thought, let's order it and see what's in the box. After opening the box, we see the first thing on the top. It's got a handy dandy manual. Looks like they really put a lot of words in here to help you. Since it's only about 3 sheets of paper. We know what to do with this. Next, we've got a stinger. Got a cleaning brush. We've got a power adapter. This will run on 230 volt or 115 volt. Next, we have a ground clamp. Looks pretty good. Looks like a decent ground clamp. We'll see how it does. Then finally, we've got the welder itself. Not bad, pretty light. I can lift it with one hand. So we'll get some things unwrapped here and we'll try running some sticks with it. Looking at this ground cable, looks like we got about 10 feet of cable. That's pretty good. Most of the cheap welders, they just come with like a little 2-foot cable. That's not even close enough to connect to anything. Next, let's check out the stinger. Looks like a pretty solid stinger, huh? You know, got good clamping force. I think this will hold a stick. Looks like that may be about 12 feet long. But overall, it looks pretty solid.